My name is Darlene King Jennings. I live in Hampton, New Hampshire, and I am owner broker at King Realty in Hampton. We've been around since 1962. I was interested in solar for a bunch of reasons. One, it's environmentally friendly, and two, the long-term cost. If you get into buying the panels, you save a lot of money over the course of a 20-year period. I think ultimately I'm going to have more power than I need. And the engineers did a really super job, I thought.
So you're powering like, what, 3 or 4 different structures? Breaks you this out?
The barn, the 3-car garage, and the house. The solar panels don't bother me on top of the garage. And actually, believe it or not, they make the snow go off quicker.
Do you think it really affected your like aesthetic of the house in any negative way? It didn't. You think the house pretty much is like almost exactly the same?
Because they came all prepared to start doing the panel. Ben called me and he said, we can do the roofs at the same time. And the price that they gave me to put the roofs on was amazing compared to what the prices are up here to put new roof on. Obviously, the places that he put them on were the best places. I can say I don't have a lot in the bank, but I have a lot in the roof. I was happy overall with Team Sunshine. I would definitely recommend Team Sunshine.